Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Students, today we will read gender second part. Okay, in our first lecture we have read about the first part of gender. In that lecture we have read about gender, definition of gender and its types of gender: feminine, feminine gender, neutral gender and common gender. But today we will read formation of feminine noun. Okay, formation of the feminine nouns. Okay, so let's see how to form feminine noun from the masculine. See, there are the three ways of forming feminine of nouns. Okay, there are the three ways of forming feminine of nouns. So let's see first. Okay, let's see first way how to form feminine gender. Okay, some nouns, some feminine are formed by changing a word. Okay, how? For example, see, boy. Okay, here is masculine, feminine, like boy. Okay, horse, father, king. So how to form its feminine? We have to change the word: boy, girl. Okay, horse, mare, father, mother, king, queen. Okay, so here we have changed the word to make feminine gender. Okay, so whatever example given in your book, you have to learn all examples of this type of. Okay, student. Second way, some feminine are formed by adding es to the masculine. Okay, some feminine are formed by adding es to the masculine. How? Let's see. Author. Okay, poet, line, host. Okay, so how to form its feminine? Author, we will add es. Okay, we will add es end of the masculine. authoress, poetess, liners, hostess. Okay, here what we did, here we add es end of the masculine. So this is the second way to form feminine from the masculine. Okay. Okay, let's see. Next, but in some cases, es is added by dropping. Okay, but in some cases ESS is added by dropping vowel of the masculine ending. Okay, but in some cases ES is added by dropping vowel of the masculine ending. Let's see how. Like actor, traitor, hunter, tiger. Okay, so I said here you have to drop this, you will have to drop its vowel ending of the masculine. So let's see here, actress, okay, we have dropped here its vowel. Okay, so like this we will form. Okay, traitors, okay, here let's see es, or now here we have dropped its vowel, huntress, tigress. Okay, so this is how you have to form. Okay, let's see again, you have to drop its vowel, okay, of masculine, like ending of the masculine. Actor, here we have dropped its o, then actress. Okay, actress, it's a feminine. Okay, traitor means विश्वासघाती होता है ना इस तरह से, तो उसको ट्रेटर बोलते हैं. Then traitress, okay, then hunter, huntress, tiger, tigress. Okay, here we have dropped its last vowel. Okay, ending of the masculine vowel. In third way, some feminine are formed by adding a word. Some feminine are formed by adding a word before or after masculine. Okay, student, some feminine are formed by adding a word before or after masculine. So let's see how. Like grandmother, man servant, okay, landlord. So in this case we will add before or after a word, okay, to make feminine, like grandmother, then grandfather. Here we have add a word father, okay, we have add a word father. Man servant and man servant, then maid servant, maid servant, okay, landlord, landlady. तो here what we have done, यहाँ पे हमने क्या किया है, यहाँ पे हमने बिफोर और आफ्टर कुछ वर्ड चेंज किया है, ठीक है, लाइक यहाँ पे मेड, मैन का इसमें बिफोर किया है, मैन को मेड से चेंज किया है, और लॉर्ड को सॉरी लैंड लॉर्ड, लैंड लेडी, ओके. सो दिस इज हाउ we can form feminine gender from the masculine. Okay student, I hope you have understood what I want to explain, okay. And some feminine are formed by adding, by changing, चेंज किया है हमने यहाँ पे, ठीक है, by changing a word before or after masculine. Grandmother, grandfather, man servant, maid servant, landlord, landlady. Here we have changed. So like man को हमने maid से change किया है, mother को हमने father से change किया है, lord को हमने lady से change किया है. So this is how we have formed, okay, we can form feminine from the masculine. Okay, so I hope you have understood. Thank you students.